take a...
Brand new.
Yeah. It looks pretty good.
You gotta sit in it.
Gotta sit in it?
Yeah.
Nice towel to do that. This is what we had.
It's a key.
That was a bolt somebody ground down to fit into the master cylinder and welded a bolt onto it, or welded a washer to mount to the top of the pedal. Yeah.
Works.
So we'll fix that.
Oh, the throttle cable was the other thing. It doesn't.
Throttle cable, that's right.
It doesn't. It idles high because it doesn't return. You can see the.
And even when you put it to the floor, it doesn't really open the...
It's unwound. This spiral cable somewhere inside this.
So you think we need a new cable, or do you think we can just take it apart and clean it maybe?
Let's see if we can find the cable first, because if it's like 20 bucks, and we'll bypass the potential safety hazards.
Yeah.
And then maybe promote this to the trash while we're there.
Yep. All right, so my list on the FJ40, I've got brake master cylinder, front brake lines, brake switch, because we don't have an electrical switch above the brake, headlight switch, spark plugs, transmission cover that was underneath, throttle cable, and we need some just random wires for making a harness.
Yep. Now, do we know, do you have on the list to try to put some water in here and pressure test this system to see if that radiator's any good?
Let's try that.
Okay.
Because I don't know if the radiator's good or not. Probably go ahead and we can flush that.
Yeah, we can put 15, 20 pounds of air in it and see.
And just try water first.
Yep. Quiet belt needs to happen.
Okay. So fan belt, spark plugs, brake master cylinder,
Yeah,
6-foot
shut the board. Got 25 hours of stuff to do so far. It's a good start.
It's a good start. So
Now we need to get it to a good stop.
yeah, and a good go.
I was pulling air in right there. As you can see, it's only flat on one side though.
It's true.
You got a quarter?
3/4 good.
A penny?
You want to do the penny thing?
No. In preparation for winter driving, if you want to check the tread depth on your tires to make sure your tires are good, just put a penny down in the tread and make sure you can't see the top of Lincoln's head on this penny. As you can see, this tire is good.
Those look very tight. Not even one ugga.
Look good.
Okay, all right.
Guess we put some pressure through it, and once we get our master cylinder and the non-Bluetooth line and a brake pedal push rod that looks a little bit more OSHA certified.
Some of the ones that I've seen have a push rod built into the brake booster.
Yeah.
This one was
To look into that.
special breed.
Some of them work different when they push and they pull.
Oh, okay.
These shocks are so old, they're made in the USA.
Wow. Sure are.
Don't cut the plastic. This already got one hole in it.
Oh, it looks like they used an adapter. They got a smaller piece.
Yes, they do.
Wow.
That's why they're both stuck.
Redneck ingenuity.
Man,
It's got some liquid in it.
Yep, something's draining out.
good. I hadn't made a mess in a while.
Okay, there it goes.
I'm guessing it holds water up to here.
Oh,
And he did it this time.
Daddy.
Finally,
I feel so much better though.
vindication. It's green. I'm telling you.
It is. I'll clean that up. Clean up on out there.
It's like a guy peeing outside. You just go.
Flat rock. Cow on a flat rock.
Yeah. Aiden, you want to get some wire cutters and we'll snip these awesomely mounted aerospace engineering tab.
Yeah.
Come on.
We don't really have to take that off, do we? This is going away, so.
Using the proper technique.
Radiator delete kit.
Yeah, radiator delete.
Radiator's coming out.
Explain. Let's see. Are the lower mounts undone? Yep, they
I
are.
think so.